How to remove Instagram account from another device. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application and make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in and you navigate in the home page, now you have to navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you get in your profile page, then navigate to three-line icon from the top right corner and then tap on Account Center at the top of this interface. Here, scroll down a bit and then go to Password and Security. Now, to remove Instagram account from another device, either you can change the password of your Instagram account or you can simply log out of your device. So if you want to change password, tap on change password and follow some instructions. After that, choose your Instagram account and you can change your password. Now, if you would like to simply remove Instagram account from another device, tap on this option that says we're logged in and choose your Instagram account. After that, you will be able to view all the devices that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Now to remove it, tap on select device to log out. After that, choose your device and then tap on log out. After you do that, you will be able to remove Instagram account from that device. So that's how you remove Instagram account from another device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.